Hello my dear lovely students, I welcome all of you to English class. Today we will learn about articles. The words a, and the are called articles. They come before nouns or they come first in the noun phase. For example, he is a boy. Maya gave me an apple. The cow is a useful animal. Kinds of articles. There are two kinds of articles. First one is definite articles. And second is indefinite articles, a or an. Take some example. Please let me an orange. I saw a cow. I went to a tank to drink some water. Here, a or an in indefinite articles because it usually lives in definite person or thing. Okay, and definite article. Take some example. He saw the doctor. He saw the cow. Here the is definite article because it normally point out some particular person or thing. The use of a or an depends on a pronunciation, not on the spelling. The indefinite articles a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. Some example. Take some example. This is a cow. He gave me a 1 rupee note. This is a useful book. My father is a doctor. My father is working at a university. Okay, clear? The indefinite article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. For example, this is an orange. He is an honest man. Mr. Swine is an MP. He is an MA. I bought an ink pot yesterday, etc. Okay, clear? Use of indefinite articles. We use a or an before a singular countable nouns. Take some example. A coconut tree is very tall. An elephant is a gentle animal. Then we use a or an when a or an means one. For example, I have a cow. Here a means one. Clear? Another example, she has got a brother. Okay, here a means one. Okay, we use a or an when we are talking about a person or thing in general. For example, a dog is a faithful animal. A daughter should obey her parents. Clear? Then we use a or an when we are talking about a person or thing for a first time. Take some example. I saw a beggar in a town gate. I need a bicycle. Clear? Then we use a or an when we talk about price, size, time, speed, etc. Take some example. Rice sells 10 rupees a kilo. Those shoes are 200 rupees a pair. Take medicine 2 times a day. Then we use a or an with some illnesses. For example, he has a cold, she has a fever, so she is in bed today. Clear? The use of the definite article. Definite article. The definite article the is pronounced differently before different words. The pronunciation of the means the changes depending on if the word begins with a consonant sound or a vowel sound. The is used before a consonant sound. We say the. We say the. The is used before a vowel sound. We say the. Clear? Very good. The use of the definite articles. The definite article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already refers to. For example, the book we want is out of print. Let's go to the park. Okay. The definite article the is used when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Means here the cow represents the whole class. The another example, the horse is a noble animal. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers. Clear? The definite article the is used before some proper names. Some example, the Ganga, the Suez Canal, the Sahara, the Himalaya. Okay. The definite article they is used before names of things unique of their kinds. For example, the sun, the sky, the sea, the earth, etc. The definite articles they is used with superlative degree. For example, he is the best of all. Okay. The definite article the is used with ordinal numbers. For example, Ram was the first man to arrive. Okay. The definite article the is used before an adjective when the noun is understood. For example, the poor are always with us. Okay. Then The definite article they is used with the names of religious book. Take some example. The Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Quran, etc. The definite article they is used before the names of musical instruments. Some example: the sitar, the flute. Okay, clear? Then the definite article they is used before the names of newspaper. Take some example. The Samaj, the Dharitri, the Samaya, the Hindustan Times. Okay, clear? Okay, thank you. Class is over. Thank you very much. Take care. Thank you.